Hello everyone. Good morning. So today we will be checking about the demo class for ServiceNow. So first of all, before coming to any of the platform, anyone will be having so many questions. Why to choose this one and what is the demand for this? So those are all the basic questions before entering into the any of the domain. So first we will cover those questions and we will cover the exact information inside the ServiceNow. So first of all, what is ServiceNow? So ServiceNow is a cloud-based software platform that helps businesses automate and streamline their IT processes. That means ServiceNow is like as you know, it's a cloud-based software platform. This is mainly used for automating the any of the businesses processes, not only for IT department wise, it is also covering customer support department, HR department, and operations management. Everything is covered within the ServiceNow itself, irrespective of the size of the company or irrespective of the profit of the company. ServiceNow will be same. It's just that they need to have their more licenses to improve their business. And now, so we have mentioned here cloud-based platform. Now, what is cloud means? So this is the answer. The cloud is a network of services that store and manage data, and it runs the applications and deliver content. So with the help of internet, and if you have any system and you have internet connection, you can go with the you can go and connect to any of the like let's say Chrome website you are searching, and you are searching for ServiceNow itself. You try to search for ServiceNow, and some data is coming out as a result in Google. So the data is the output, but from where the data is coming up, it is coming up from the Google database, right? Like the ServiceNow information is stored there. So cloud is like a storing of the information and managing the data, and with the help of internet, and if you have a system, you can get it into the system output. So this cloud is of three types usually. So IaaS, this means IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So these are three types. So first we'll go with the SaaS. SaaS is a software as a service. So what it will do, it will be like ready-made service. So everything is already ready-made. The software is already ready to use. You can just purchase that software and you can use it. As I mentioned, the companies will purchase the if you are a company, then you will be preparing your software and sell it in the market. That and buyers will purchase that and they will use it. So that is a software as a service. And now platform as a service. What it will do? It will help the developers build customization apps via API that can be delivered over the cloud. So if I am using a platform as a service, I can customize my apps not only accessing the software, but I can also have the customization capabilities within my software itself. And our service now comes under this one, platform as a service. Why? Because we have already ready-made things inside the service now, and also we will be able to customize the apps inside a ServiceNow platform. So platform as a service, ServiceNow comes under platform as a service. This one, infrastructure as a service, along with the development things and customization things. If you are using IaaS cloud model, you will be having a control over infrastructure as cloud as well, but it is not required for us. We fall under this one, so we need to learn this thing only. And next, so why ServiceNow is on demand in current market? So if you look at the Naukari portal or LinkedIn, if you search for ServiceNow inside that, you might be seeing thousands of job openings around the India itself, not only other countries, around the India itself. you can see thousands of jobs. So the reason behind why it is currently so much of in market, end-to-end solutions for IT service management. So what is the end-to-end solutions? Let's say your IT department, you are a new joiner, you are going to be joining in any company. Your HR department is going to be onboard you. Then suppose you are a developer, IT developer. You are from scratch to end, joining methodology from scratch to end. Like, and from getting of the laptop, hardware related things, and getting of the software access related things. Everything can be done within ServiceNow itself. You no need to go and manually chase any person. Everything can be done in within the ServiceNow itself. End to end, in end to end things can be automated here. So in ServiceNow, like automation and efficiency is very high for this ServiceNow, and enterprise service management is an option here. What does that mean? Not only for IT department, not only for developers, the service now helps non IT related people as well, like HR people. We will be having, first of all, inside this service now we have multiple modules. It's like an entire ocean is segregated as modules here. ITSM here is a module. ITSM is a module which covers IT service related things. And we have another module called ITOM. Operation related things can be covered there. Operational management things can be automated. Another module called CSM, customer service related module. So customer support things can be automated by using this module. And GRC, SecOps, we have multiple modules are there. Based on that, everything can be automated. So that is the use of ServiceNow. Everyone is using. For that reason, it is on very high demand in the market now. So as a cloud-based solution, ServiceNow can easily accessible, right, from anywhere. It's not restricting. We can access from anywhere. So this is the best choice for any type of business. Now, my next question would be, why only ServiceNow? There are other tools as well, GR, BRCRM, Jira, yeah, Jira and all there. But why only ServiceNow? So these are all the answers I have been able to find out as of my experience. So breadth and depth of functionality. So it like end-to-end automation, not only for IT services, every other services can also be done here. Let's say if you are going to provide a user-friendly environment, and if someone is let's say I will take an example of Amazon. uh, the Amazon website is I am able to access anytime, irrespective of the time zone. I am able to access from anywhere, anytime. And let's say their customer support is very active, and the delivering timelines might will be very efficient. Let's say some XYZ XYZ website. So XYZ website is giving me so many offers, but their customer service is not like so much of active, and they might be giving the delivery timelines like bit or higher than Amazon. So as if I am running a business, I will go with Amazon.com only, right? Why? Because even though I am spending much extra amount here in this website, but I am getting timely delivery, and I am getting support whenever I require. Yeah. So that's the thing here happen in ServiceNow also. Whatever the customization as an end user we can do, that can be possible here, and it is a very user friendly interface. The main reason why only ServiceNow, they are following no code, low code methodology now. So even though you are zero at a coding level now, with the help of minimum JavaScript knowledge, that then you will be able to survive using ServiceNow. And as a developer, you can survive. Even for non-IT people, if you wanted to use ServiceNow, a simple readable English is fine. You can you can navigate anything in ServiceNow. So that much user friendly it is. An active partner ecosystem. So ServiceNow is going to be give partnerships to companies. So if they are with the partnership of any company, then whenever the company has having any issues, they will surely connect, they will discuss the things and close off the issue. So that will be an added advantage. ServiceNow will be having a always continuous innovation, and every 6 months once they will be releasing some new versions. And let's say for other type of languages or any other type of tools, if any new versions are coming up, we need to upgrade ourselves and learn few things to automate. But here in ServiceNow, let's say if they're coming with new versions, they are going to be automated many things, and they are going to give us ready-made things to our handy. Like that, we don't need to focus more on coding related things to learn, but they are going to make the coding related things in one plate and giving it as ready-madely. So we are upgrading like no code, low code methodology here. So that is that much of continuous innovation is going on in ServiceNow only. So we can also have wide range of integrations in ServiceNow. So what is integration means? Um, Within the ServiceNow, you will be able to access other third-party application as well. Let's say you might be using your WhatsApp, and Meta AI might be integrated already in your WhatsApp. With the help of WhatsApp itself, you are going to be accessing that Meta. So that is a called as integration. So with the help of APIs, we can integrate any of the third-party application within ServiceNow with easy functionalities. And coming to security part, it's very much very high level security ServiceNow is having. Like you can say, there will be features like role-based access controls and encryption related control monitoring to protect sensitive data. So once we go inside the topics of ServiceNow, there we can see how it can be restricted access related things we can see inside our syllabus. But for the demo, you just need to confirm ServiceNow has a very high level of security. And next question is, why not other platforms? So other platforms might not offer comprehensive coverage as ServiceNow, because as even though other platforms also following cloud, the ServiceNow is following instance type coverage. So ServiceNow will be having multiple instances. So the data bandwidth will be completely given to ServiceNow itself. So there won't be overlapping happening with any other platform or any other tool there. And integrations and customization challenges, compared to ServiceNow, other platforms is not that much user friendly for integrations and customizations as well. And even in while customizing, if you have a virtual agent installed in your ServiceNow, the virtual agent, the bot itself will be giving you a hint for developing the code also, how you are going to develop. That hint is also there within the ServiceNow. So it cannot be possible in other platforms. So by looking at these things, the current market position for ServiceNow is very high. Even though there are other strong players for same IT service management, automation things, there are other strong platforms are there, BMC, Zira services. These are all there, but they might not have the same market leadership with the current capabilities and community support, everything. If you are giving a product to some customer, uh, selling out is not a business. You need to have a customers repetitively. So if you wanted to give a repetitive business to the a single customer, then you will have to manage and maintain that capability within the buyer and seller here. So The ServiceNow follows that active partner ecosystem, and since they are giving user-friendly interface, the customer will be coming back again to use this ServiceNow. So this will be the basic structure, like basic things for ServiceNow. And now coming to our syllabus, in our course, we are going to cover ITSM module inside of this ServiceNow. So what is ITSM? ITSM stands for IT Service Management, which is used to automate the IT service related processes and deliver the timely manner outputs to the customers. So now let's go to my instance page. So this will be called as an instance, ServiceNow instance. The sign up for instance things can be explained in first class, and afterwards we'll explain one after the other. I will send you a topic for demo, syllabus for our course. Based on that, we will continue. It will take some sessions. No, the sessions details will be given in the course content. And whenever consider, if you are starting a new business and you have some IT department to automate the things. So whenever your IT department wanted to automate the things, that time you will have to go through this IT service management module. And whenever IT service management is happening, then we are going to cover the concepts. I'm just going to explain briefly why this ITSM in ServiceNow. So let's say you are using your laptop and you get an issue, and you will have to contact some IT support person, right? So the contact of IT support through phone is not required. You can just click, you can go on, just initiate a chat, or you can raise an incident here. Incident management is a topic inside this ITSM. Incident is like unexpected issue has come up. So that incident automation is there, and um, continuous incidents are coming up again and again. It will go for a problem management. That problem management concept will be explained, and any of new things has to be configured, and any new policies, any new versions has come into your organization. That time uh, uh, like new policy sheet has to be updated and it should be approved, right? Irrespective of service. Now let's say if you are working in any of the company, if any of the new rules is coming inside, then that should be updated, that should be approved by someone. So those things can be called as a change request here in ServiceNow. So that change request management will be explained. So if IT support means inside the IT department, so we will be having service catalog, service request, everything automation, like requesting some hardware related, requesting some softwares. You don't need to connect with any of the person in like you don't need to go manually and ask the person. Everything is here automated, and it's just one click away to request. So whenever you go on, just click on it, the product will be selected, and it will be in backend. The workflows will be there, like what department has to handle this particular work. The particular work can be handled in backend, and output will be given to the end user. So this is just a brief introduction how ITSM module looks, but with the help of our syllabus concept, we will learn complete things from scratch to end, all the topics which comes under ITSM. And also we will go with the basics of integrations as well, along with this ITSM concept. Hope it is understandable, and you can let me know if you have any questions here. Thank you. Bye bye.